Difference between owned capital and borrowed capital. Owned capital and borrowed capital are two fundamental sources of financing for businesses, each with distinct characteristics and implications. Owned capital, also known as equity capital, represents the funds invested in a business by its owners or shareholders. This capital typically includes contributions made by the founders, retained earnings, and funds raised through the sale of shares. Owned capital does not incur any debt obligations or interest payments. Instead, shareholders have ownership rights and may receive dividends as a return on their investment. However, they also bear the risk of loss if the business performs poorly. Borrowed capital, on the other hand, refers to funds obtained by a business through loans, bonds, or other forms of debt financing. This capital comes with the obligation to repay the principal amount along with interest over a specified period. Borrowed capital allows businesses to leverage their assets and expand operations without diluting ownership. However, it increases the financial risk as failure to repay the debt can lead to penalties, legal actions, or even bankruptcy. In summary, while owned capital represents ownership stakes without debt obligations, borrowed capital involves obtaining funds through loans or debt instruments with the obligation to repay, along with associated interest costs. Both sources play crucial roles in a company's capital structure and financial management. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.